Rolling, rolling.
What's in the box? Nick, take one. In the box.
What's in the box? Gwyneth Paltrow.
There's definitely nothing in here this time. This one's gonna be a rodent or a rat.
This is a car part?
Yes, sir. Hi, welcome back to the Dorman Products Proving Grounds. Today we're having a little bit of fun. This is a pretty easy one. We're just gonna identify some car parts today. However, we're throwing one little wrench into things, and that's you can't use your eyeballs. So everybody here is gonna take a peek at some parts in this very special box we have built. You can see, obviously, a tech would have access to the part itself. However, from this vantage point, you can't see what's in the box. So we're gonna see exactly how good everybody is at IDing some parts without their vision.
That is a power steering pulley.
Crankshaft pulley.
Time. That's a pulley. Do I have to say what kind of pulley it is?
We'll give you extra credit if you get ridiculously accurate, but no, you don't have to.
I mean, it's a power steering pulley.
I actually don't know what that pulley is.
Is it gonna bite me?
I don't know.
It is a power steering pulley for a 1965 Chevy Bel Air, formerly known as Hydro Boost.
Is it filming right now? Oh, okay. Oh. I'm blanking on the name right now. This is massively embarrassing.
That seems to be a bit of a theme.
See, man, what do we call this? This is so sad. It's a camshaft pulley. Oh, turn around. I already know. I already know what it is. I don't know the name. I'm blanking on the name. I'm blanking on the name. I'm cracking under pressure.
Okay, it's a pulley. Be more specific than that, or?
Nah, it's good.
It's plastic. Maybe not.
Whoa. What is that?
It's a cap.
We're gonna ask you to be more specific.
I figured.
Um,
I hate this.
You have great faces.
Thanks. I mean, my initial thought was like a brake cleaner cap.
A cap for something, I don't know.
I don't know. At first I thought it was like a U-joint cap, but it doesn't really feel like that.
Camshaft rolls on it. Like, do I need to know the name?
That's what the whole competition is.
Oh my God, no, my mind is blank right now.
It's the roundy gibbler.
My mind is blank. Oh.
Can I phone a friend?
Might be aluminum.
it's a tappet. It's a valve follower. Probably from some small engine that goes 9,000 RPMs.
Oh, geez, I'm stumped. Oh, it's like a tappet of some sort?
There you go, yeah,
There we go.
It's an end cap for something. I'm not sure what though. Oh, you joy cap.
No clue. Oh, like a valve cover, or valve spring cover, whatever you call it.
Oh, well, I know what it is. Can I look up the name?
That's not how any of this works. The
right.
worst part is I know you know what this is.
I know.
It's crushing me.
I know. So
this is so painful to watch.
It's
Nick.
I give up. I was never gonna get this. I don't even know what to call this now.
It's a cam follower, a cam bucket.
Great.
Yeah, it's a cam bucket. I knew that.
Duh.
I have to take the L here. I can't think of the name. Like I'm brain fart. I know what it is. I don't even need to look at
It's
it.
a cam bucket.
Cam bucket. That's what I'm saying.
Or we would have accepted follower, I guess, as well.
Is this one gonna bite me? Oh, that's pretty easy.
All right. Let's see here.
Window crank.
Door handle. Or, well, I'm sorry, window crank handle. Got that one.
Oh, it almost got ugly.
Yep.
Window crank.
There you go.
Where's the window clip? Why'd you guys steal the window crank handle clip? I need the clip.
So what is it?
It goes around and around, it puts the windows up and down.
I think we can accept that.
Oh, this is for your manual window cranker handle. Oh my gosh, is it not that?
Or window handle. Window regulator handle. Whatever.
All right. Wheel stud. Big mama too.
This is a wheel stud.
Yeah, wheel stud.
Wheel hardware. Wheel stud.
Wheel stud.
Ooh, what do we have here? We have a lug nut from a Dodge. Probably 14 by 1.5 thread.
You got that wrong. It's a stud. It's a stud.
I said stud. Whatever.
I swear I'm gonna get bit one of these times.
This is a door check, right?
Yeah, I don't know on this one.
Oh, it's a tailgate latch. Yep, tailgate latch. Screws into the bed.
You got it wrong again.
It's a door striker, which AKA is a tailgate latch.
Bolt with washer. No?
It's a tailgate striker bolt.
Oh. It's a bolt of some sort. But
Door striker bolt.
It's tailgate.
Tailgate. Oh, come on. Tailgate's a door.
We'll give it to you.
Door pin, right? The door check. The post that it latches on.
What is your guess? You've said 3 parts. So.
I said all the same thing, just in different ways.
You want to say it the right way?
What's your What's your final answer?
Door check?
All right.
I'm right. Right?
Striker bolt.
Yeah, like that's what.
Door check's thing that keeps it from opening up too much.
Oh god.
I don't know. I give up. I don't even have a guess.
not sure exactly where you use it.
Striker bolt, like a door, a tailgate.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, a valve.
It's a valve.
Valve.
It is a exhaust valve from an internal combustion engine.
That's a valve.
Oh, it's a valve.
Oh.
A cable.
Can't decide if it's a tailgate or like a battery.
Is this an e-brake cable? Is this a brake cable?
I guess it's a tailgate cable. It's like it doesn't have much insulation on it.
That's a tailgate strap.
Tailgate cable.
Oh god, you don't know the name again. It's a tailgate cable.
I'll do it.
It's the tailgate strap. This side attaches to the bed, this side attaches to the tailgate.
Parking brake.
Parking brake cable,
Parking brake cable.
tailgate cable.
Tailgate cable. Aha!
Last one. Ah, at first I thought it was a PCV valve, and then I realized that it's a cigarette lighter.
There you go.
Cigarette lighter.
It's the old school cigarette lighter.
Oh, it's a cigarette lighter.
What could it be?
Cigarette lighter.
There you go.
That's all?
That's all.
Wait, what?
It looks like Chris is our undisputed champion of what's in the box. However, we have a 4-way tie for second place. We're gonna try and break this thing right now with a lightning round. We've actually allowed Chris to choose our parts that everybody else is gonna be guessing.
What we came up with was a wheel weight and a diesel fuel injector. Nice and greasy, so they gotta get them both right.
Hey, both of them, right?
Need both of them.
What is up my sleeves?
I'm drawing a blank. It's too much pressure. All right, this is a wheel weight.
All right, well, this is obviously a wheel weight.
This is a wheel weight.
That would be an injector. And this is a wheel weight.
We're gonna have to call it soon, buddy.
All right, I'm calling it. What do we got? Oh my God. Of all things.
Is this a diesel injector? Yeah, it's gotta be a diesel injector.
All right, there you go.
Is it a transfer case input shaft?
Okay, take a peek.
Oh, fancy.
Thanks for checking out that video. I don't know about you guys, I had a pretty good time watching y'all. Chris is our champion from first place and then tied for second. We got Bobby and Nick. If you guys try something similar at your shop, let us know. Make sure you swing by Shop Press, leave a comment. For Dorman Products, I'm Lem. We're out of here.